A baby's first year is one of the most exciting times in a parent's life. Babies grow and change more in their first year than at any other point in their development. But it will be a while before they can tell us exactly what they want or how they feel. So it's up to us as parents to understand their development and try our best to meet their needs. My name is Dr. Laurent, and I'm a general paediatrician and a published author of several baby books, including the parenting guide for mums and dads, Your Baby Month by Month. I've been working as a consultant paediatrician since 1993, and after helping thousands of families with all sorts of development and health-related issues, I'm now going to help you from the comfort of your very own home. In this journey, I'll be taking you through your baby's mental, physical and behavioural development across their first year of life, watching as they go from tiny newborn to adventurous toddler. We'll be exploring the various milestones and time frames your baby is expected to go through and help you to identify any problems along the way. Your baby's first year is a time of rapid growth and development. They're developing their brain and nervous system, their senses, their muscles and reflexes. You're likely to be sleep deprived and overwhelmed, but you'll also experience a profound sense of accomplishment when your child moves from the bottle to solid food, starts learning how to crawl, and even begins smiling up at you. It's important to remember that every baby develops at their own pace, and not all babies will reach the same milestones at the same time. So if your child is a little ahead or behind, try not to worry. But if there is an issue and your child isn't developing as expected, this course aims to help you in detecting it. By the end of this journey, not only will you have a better idea of what to anticipate and when, but some conclusive answers to some of your biggest baby development questions. So, whenever you're ready to begin, check out the first episode down below.